What is acceleration? Is it the raw power of a German sedan or a nimble launch of a street fighter? Today we found out. This isn't just a race, it's a time trial. No guesswork, just pure data. Two machines, one goal. Who can hit the 60 km/h target the fastest? First up, we have the 2017 Mercedes-Benz E350D, which is powered by a 3-liter V6 turbocharged diesel engine. We have got Harish with the timer ready. The car is set for its most aggressive launch, and let's see what time it can set. So the Mercedes did a stunning timing of 3.6 seconds, 0 to 60 km/h, which is pretty decent for a car of this size. Now for the challenger, we have the Hero Xtreme 250R. It is losing a lot on engine size. It has a very big advantage of the power to weight ratio, and that's what we are going to see. Let's go hit the track and see how fast this can go and if this can beat the timing of Mercedes. So the timings are here. The Mercedes did a stunning time of 3.6 seconds and the bike has done a very good timing of 3.5 seconds, 0 to 60 km/h, and that's pretty fast for a bike which is a 250cc motorcycle. This is the fastest bike in the segment, and it isn't just one trick pony either. DOHC 4-valve liquid cooled engine, 6-speed gearbox with assist and slipper clutch, dual channel ABS, feels very planted, agile on the road, and goes like a rocket. The Hero Xtreme 250R is a performance first bike with the right amount of tech and no unnecessary bulk.